Hi guys, Tom here from Ariston. Today we're cooking a roast chicken with roast vegetables in less than an hour in a new range of freestanding microwave, the MWA33B. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need 2 medium-sized potatoes, 1 carrot and a few bits of pumpkin. Firstly, let's get a couple pinches of sea salt and rosemary. Sprinkle that in. Some cracked pepper. Then just a drizzle of some olive oil, just a bit more. And finally, just mix it all together. Now that the veggies are all prepped up, let's start on the chicken. First, grab a bit of paper towel and pat it dry. Now, this is to help the browning process of the actual chicken. Right, now that the chicken's all dry, grab your lemon. Now zest it over the top of your chicken. You don't have to use all of it, just enough to cover. Tap, get the excess off. Then cut your lemon in half. Squeeze half the lemon over the top. Then with the other half, and set it into your chicken cavity. Grab your Moroccan spice, just a light sprinkle on either side. Follow this by your olive oil, just enough to cover it. Then finally rub it in vigorously. Now we're just going to grab our crisping plate, place the chicken in the centre, surround it with the vegetables, insert into the microwave. Now that you've got your chicken in the microwave, all you need to press is the chef hat button, followed by selecting chicken, then selecting roasted, then entering the weight. This is a 1.5 kilo chicken. Then the doneness, we're going with extra. We will tell you to use the microwave safe dish, which we have. Then we'll start cooking. Now that the chicken's done, just remove it from the microwave using your crisping handle. Well, there you have it guys. Beautiful, succulent, crispy skinned chicken in under 45 minutes. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.